So far, I've been driving it around. I don't know, it's been like an hour or so. I just been I had to go do some errands and just been doing some city driving. Been keeping the back windows down to kind of listen to it, and I like it. I think it sounds pretty mean without the resonator on. It's not, you know, droney or anything. I mean, it could be to some guys, but I don't have any dislikes right now. And I don't know, it sounds pretty mean whenever, you know, you punch it or whatever. And I put it in tow haul to kind of keep the gearing and stuff, I guess, different, or it doesn't go into the MDS or whatever that is. But yeah, it sounds pretty good, I think. And it's a good tone. It's not, you know, like crappy, raspy sounding. I mean, there's a little bit of rasp to it, but it's a deep tone, and it just sounds good and mean. And when I got some more time, I'll probably do some drive-bys or something like that, so you guys can kind of hear it more from the outside. But from the post on the forum, it seems like most people are worried about drone and everything, so I figured I would do quite a bit from the inside. Roll the windows up. Alright, well, this video is probably really long and boring as it is, so I'm going to cut it off.